Now, there's big relief for persecuted minorities, especially in the countries of Bangladesh, Afghanistan and Pakistan. The central government has taken a very important decision and they are being thanked from people within the cabinet, including Mr. Sukanta Majumdar, who's a central minister as well. And this is a tweet that he's put out thanking the Ministry of Home Affairs for extending the cut-off date for entry into India for being eligible to apply for citizenship status under the Citizenship Amendment Act. Now that deadline has been extended, according to Mr. Majumdar, till the 31st of December 2024. Remember that the earlier cut-off date was the 31st of December 2014, and if that's now been extended by a further 10 years for people to qualify within 2024, it essentially means that persecuted minorities in these three countries who've been victims of recent persecutions in these three states will now be eligible to apply for Indian citizenship. Let me in fact go across to my colleague Pragya for more clarity on this. Pragya, this is a big decision. We all remember, of course, that the Citizenship Amendment Act was passed in 2019. So it's been 6 years. The cut-off date for eligibility back then to apply for citizenship in India was the 31st of December 2019 for persecuted minorities belonging to 6 different religions from 3 countries, namely Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan. Mr. Majumdar has now put out a tweet thanking the Home Ministry. He's also put out a copy of the notification saying that the cut-off date has now been extended by a further 10 years to December 2024. Take us through the details.
Siddharth, this is part of the Immigration and Foreign Exemption Order 2025, the bill that was passed in the Parliament, and in fact this is also part of regulating who will enter and how people will enter Indian border. So also putting a leash on illegal immigrants, and those who are already inside, they need to go out. But having said that, there are exemptions also in place, especially for those who are minority and also victim of religious persecution in countries like Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan. They are now valid if they have come into the India, irrespective whether they have the travel documents or not. They will be given citizenship, and they can stay in the India. If the deadline for that has been renewed to December 31st, 2024, a very big step, because India and the Indian government believes that irrespective of which religion you are, if you are a minority in neighboring countries like Bangladesh, Afghanistan and Pakistan, be you Sikh, Jain, Tibetan, in fact Tibetan are also included in this particular category. So if you are one of them and you are part of the persecuted minority, you will be given stay in India and also the citizenship. This is a very big step by the Indian government, and this is a very welcome step, and this is exactly the reason why Sukanta Majumdar has taken to social media to greet and also to welcome this step and congratulate the ministry on this particular issue, because they also believe there are Hindus in these countries who are facing persecution because they are the minority, and who else can give them the shelter if not India. So be it Sikh, Parsi, Jain, and Buddhist, all have been welcomed by the government if they have entered the India and sought the status of citizenship by 31st of December 2024. A big leap as far as CAA is concerned, and it also shows the intention of the government. Government is also of the view that no illegal immigrant should stay in India. For that, the act has been modified and the rules have been changed. But as far as these minorities are concerned in neighboring countries, they have been given relaxation and exemptions.